You won't believe what happened to this jaw-dropping BMW M3 competition. Shining under the sun, only to face a heart-wrenching moment when an annoying key scratch ruined its gorgeous paint. But here's the twist of fate that saved the day. Thank goodness for the genius move of applying paint protection film before any of this mess went down. That smart choice turned out to be a total game changer. Once the PPF was peeled off, guess what? The paint was mostly untouched, looking as pristine as ever. This triumph of technology ensured that your car would continue to grace the roads, turning heads with its stunning presence, unblemished and untainted. Protect your car today with paint protection film.